Let me see that.
This is just...
Holy cow. That didn't even split. It's like...
No, it's like...
That's the biggest one I think I've ever seen.
That it would be like 2 or 3.
Holy cow. Hey, good morning. Thanks for joining me today. I am out in the Mount Hood National Forest with some new friends on a guided hunt. We're looking for chanterelles today, matsutake, cauliflower. We've already gotten into a few. See behind me? Found a really nice patch of white chanterelles right off the trail. So let's get out and have a good, safe hunt. Let's go. Check out these. We got at least a dozen big, chunky white chanterelles. I don't know, guys. This is right on the trail.
Yeah. Oh, right.
Pretty awesome. All right, let's get a few of these guys. Get all of them. They all look good to me. Okay. And as you peel back some of these other ones, there's probably going to be others that are underneath. But man, those are good. I see some more over here too. Oh, they're going to keep going. Yeah, there hasn't been any cars back here for a long time.
This road hasn't been used in a while.
Right. Oh yeah, TJ's found some over here. Look at these guys. Look at all these big white chanterelles. That is a good looking mushroom right there. Look at that. Wow. What a beauty. Look at those. Look at those. Even that, by moving that log up here, you just uncovered a couple more.
You guys there's some right here.
Those are beauties.
Look at that.
Wow, those are awesome.
Oh yeah, there's more.
Good job, guys. Look at all, oh my goodness, look at all these. These that Terry's gotten into. Look at them all. We've got a few over here on this side of the log. Even on over there. Look at them all. Dang. Yeah, don't step on them.
That would be terrible. Look at that.
Those are beautiful. So see all the brown stuff around the top of some of those? Yeah. You might trim some of that off.
Some of it off. So like this right here? Maybe?
No, I'm sorry. We're looking at the cluster Terry's taking off.
Okay. Oh,
see that browner stuff around the edge? You might just kind of trim that off with your knife. But that's a big one. Look at that. Get your arms around that thing.
This is cute. Look at that.
Look at that.
Oh my goodness.
That's a meal right there.
Jeez,
Okay, so these, I am pretty certain they're matsutakes. This is my convincer. This is a cheap old Harbor Freight hunting knife that I took the tip off and ground it down. And I took the blade off too, so it's dull.
Oh.
But what you want to do with the matsutakes, you want to put your knife in and pop it like that.
Wow.
And then it comes out.
Wow.
So see how this is very different?
Wow, yeah.
See the gray mycelium under there? But if I squeeze this,
Super hard.
it's super hard.
Oh, wow, yeah.
Now,
Ooh, totally.
take a smell of that one. I found a couple of matsutake.
Oh, yeah. Oh, cool. Oh, sorry.
My gloves are dirty. So,
wow.
but feel how, if you squeeze it, you can't squeeze that.
That is hard, yeah.
It's hard as a rock, right? So, and those are, so they grade them. So when it's closed like that, the veil's not open and it's completely sealed, that's called the number one. Number one button.
Meaning really good.
Really good. And these will sell at the store like $60 a pound. Yeah. Whoa. So everybody get a smell of that thing.
Smells like.
Yeah.
Do you smell the cinnamon, the red hots?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
That's good. Awesome. Thank you.
Smells like the
How did you
woods to
spot
me,
it?
but
Are they
They were just sitting right.
just sitting there? Okay.
Just sitting there, barely popped out. Look, here's another one. Look, see this? This is a shrunk. This is a shrunk right here. Look, there's two there. Somebody picked those two.
Mo just dropped those. Oh wait, I thought those were not.
Those are matsutakes, but look, here's another one here. Look, somebody picked those, and may have thought they were not matsutakis. So far, we are into the chanterelles. We found a couple matsutake. We're looking for cauliflower, more matsutake, but the chanterelles just keep showing up. So we're having a good time. Everybody's filling the bag. So let's keep going. But look over here. You see those over there too? Look.
Oh yeah.
Look at them over there. There's a bunch. But look, oh, look at your foot. Look at your foot. Look at your foot. Your left foot. Left foot.
Oh my gosh, I'm stepping on it.
Look at the size of that cluster.
This one is huge.
Wow. That is awesome. I can't tell if that's 1 or 4 that have split.
Like 2 here. Maybe.
Wow.
Here's the one that you pointed out at the beginning with
The scaly chanterelle.
scaly, yeah.
And they got coral growing underneath
right
it.
next to it, huh?
That's kind of cool.
I know, isn't it?
Oh, that's a nice one. Look at that. Those are nice and bright white. What are you guys going to do with all these?
Start eating more mushrooms.
I'll eat more. They're good for you, right? I think there's another one.
I think I'll do pizza with it.
Yeah.
You can do pizza with them. Oh, here's one here. Tyrion's a big one right there. I usually cook the mushrooms first before I put them on pizza.
Yeah.
Just because you want to cook them thoroughly. And when I cook pizza on the stone out in the barbecue, pizza cooks in like 5 minutes. You know. Well, we are wrapping it up for the day. We had an awesome hunt. Everybody's got full bags of chanterelles. We got a handful of matsutake. But overall, in the canopy, we didn't get a lot of rain. And now we're out in the open and we're getting soaked. But overall, awesome day with some new friends. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe and tell your friends. And look forward to joining you in the next adventure. Thanks.